I'm down at Hilden Integrated Primary School, exciting new project for Lisburn Castlereagh City Council. It holds some very, very vivid memories for myself, as this was the school for the children of the workers in Hilden Mill. Hilden Mill was actually where my mother was employed, and came to know a lot of the local residents in the Hilden area. So there's some very fond memories of the mill and the workers that were there, and it's exciting that this project is going ahead. This was driven forward by the local community who really desired that something special would be done with Hilden Primary School. And the council, working along with the Resurgam Trust, is going to deliver 2 social enterprises working in the old Hilden School. A very, very exciting development. The restoration of the former Hilden Mill School is of significant importance to Lisburn and Castlereagh City Council. The council's intention, in partnership with the Resurgam Trust, is to bring this school back to its former glory and realise the development of 2 social enterprises, namely a childcare facility and tea room. This has been made possible with a significant financial contribution from the National Lottery Heritage Fund. The original school was opened in October 1912 for the benefit of the children of Hilden Mill workers. It closed in 2008, and the local community has lobbied for its restoration ever since. The council purchased the building in 2016 and embarked on a journey with the local community to ensure that it once again would become a focal point in the Hilden area. When the restoration is complete in the autumn of 2025, this former school will become a vibrant hub, not only for local residents but also visitors to our council area. The building will have a permanent heritage display celebrating the rich history of the Hilden area. Lisburn Museum will collaborate with local community partners to create an annual programme of events and offer training for community heritage volunteers, ensuring that the legacy of the site is preserved and shared with future generations.